Welcome back. In this video I am going to discuss preparation of dioxygen, properties of dioxygen. First method, what you do is take the potassium chlorate, heat it strongly in presence of MnO2. You are going to get KCl along with dioxygen. How they are? They just write like this: KClO3 on heating MnO2. Complete the reaction. So, balance equation you are trying to. Second is thermal decomposition of certain metal oxides like Ag2O, HgO. What do you do? Ag2O, you just heat it. You are going to get Ag along with the dioxygen. Or instead of this, you can take HgO, mercuric oxide, and heat it. You are going to get Hg plus O2. This is of solid state. This is solid. This is a gaseous state. It is solid. This is liquid. This is the gaseous state. You can collect it easily. Heat Pb3O4 strongly. You are going to get PbO plus dioxygen. Equation is not balanced. Go for the balanced equations. I think equation is balanced now. PbO2, you heat it. Again, you are going to get PbO and the dioxygen. 2, 2. Again, this equation is balanced, I think so. These are all solids. This is a solid, this is a solid, this is a gas, this is a gas. Next, decomposition of hydrogen peroxide gives 2H2O plus dioxygen. Decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. This can be written as an example for first order reaction also in the chemical kinetics. Large scale preparation by electrolysis of water. If you want the large scale, I can go for the electrolysis of water over there. I am going to get the dioxygen along with the hydrogen. Cathode, dihydrogen gas will come. Anode, dioxygen will be coming out. Industrial preparation. From A, because there is nitrogen, there is oxygen, then there may be a carbon dioxide, etc. This is at around 78%, this is of 21%. So what we will is cool this, but before cooling, pass the gases through KOH solution which removes all the CO2. Then this will be there. Cool it below the boiling point of this both. Then go for fractional distillation. Oxygen and the nitrogen are separately collected. You can get the nitrogen as well as the oxygen also from the air. Go through the videos which I already uploaded for the nitrogen. There I explain how to do this. Physical properties. No need to explain much. Is it have any color? No color. Is it have any odor, smell? No odor. Means it is a colorless, odorless gas. And if we consider the solubility of the oxygen, it is very less soluble in water. 3.08 cm cube in 100 cm cube of the water, which is sufficient for the aquatic life. Marine life. Because they don't want the oxygen to the more extension. Aquatic life is sufficient. Then its boiling point is 90 Kelvin, freezing point is 55 Kelvin. Very less. 90 Kelvin is the boiling point, or it liquefies at 90 Kelvin if you go for the cooling. And solid first I said 55 Kelvin. Next, there are three isotopes for oxygen. One is 8O16, second one is 8O17, 8O18. Three isotopes. Atomic number 3, mass number 24. That is isotopes. And O2, if we consider, there are 16 electrons, even number of electrons, still it is paramagnetic. Now sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2pz2, pi 2px2, pi 2py2, then pi star 2px1, pi star 2py1. There are two unpaired electrons in the dioxygen, so it is paramagnetic. First you see chemical bonding chapter, you studied this. Electronic configuration of molecules. Two unpaired electrons, paramagnetic nature. Dioxygen reacts with the metal and the non-metals easily. M plus O2 can form MO. How? If it is plus 2, state with that for the metal. Otherwise, it can form M2O, it can form MO2, etc. Oxygen reacts with the almost all metal except noble metal like Au and the platinum. Reacts with all non-metal except noble gases. It's a combustion process, so usually exothermic reaction. Delta H will be negative, but N2 plus O2 giving 2NO. Even though combustion process is there, delta H is positive because nitrogen bonding is there. That should be broken. Oxygen bond should be broken. But due to smaller size, high bond enthalpy will be there between oxygen or the nitrogen. So we need more energy. So it absorbs energy. So this reaction is endothermic. Mg plus O2 giving MgO, etc. They're all delta H is negative, only exothermic nature. Try to write the reactions of oxygen with metal like calcium, sodium, etc. Non-metal like nitrogen. It's a homework. I am not going to explain. You have tried that. See, some compounds, you say SO2 is that. They will be get oxidized into SO3, but we need certain catalysts like the platinum, V2O5, etc. to increase the rate of the reactions. Or one more reaction giving 2Cl2 plus 2 water molecule CuCl2 catalyst will be there. Over Ca plus O2 CH4 plus O2. Equations are not balanced, you write the balanced equation also. Al plus O2 C plus O2 N2 plus O2 P4 plus O2. Complete it.